we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Stopsad 1.8Cu.ft Sortable Dryer, 5 mod, 800 watt electric clothing dryer. Consists of the following features. Perfect compact size. The compact portable dryer, 18.9 x 15.7 x 22 inch, is perfect for small spaces such as RVs, vacation homes, and apartments. It doesn't take up much room while still providing efficient drying capabilities. The 32 pounds weight allows the dryer machine to be easily moved anywhere in the room. And easy to install with various options, satisfying. Versatile 5 drying programs. Choose from a variety of drying programs to meet different fabric needs. Whether it's delicate fabrics like silk or heavier items like cotton towels, there's a perfect setting to ensure your clothes come out dry and in great condition. Easy to operate. This machine is ingeniously designed with an intuitive knob control system. Once you set your desired temperature, you could just leave it alone to work and do your own things. Give you a good drying experience. Quiet design. In order to provide a comfortable environment, this dryer makes very little noise. So please don't worry, this will not affect your normal conversation and sleep. Safe and efficient. It works safely at 120 volts rated voltage and has 800 watt power to ensure your clothes dry faster. Temperature control protection, safe and reliable. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.